A lot of times on Hashtag Pool Guys, you guys don't get to see a lot of times the behind the scenes and the difficulties and the hurdles we have to come over. A lot of times, especially with Mother Nature, we got to just be able to react the best we can. So with all of the rain that we've had to deal with in a week and a half, as well as this specific hole that we've had to dug, we've had to get a lot of rock out of here. And in the last week, we've gotten nothing but rain here. So now we finally got a dry day. We've got the water pumped out. We're starting to frame our pool up. We've got to put, it's like a dense grade. It looks like number 57s, but we've got to put a dense grade down. It's like a crushed sandy kind of granular rock. The reason why it's going to absorb a lot of the moisture on the bottom of our pool floor, so we can start shaping it, and we're going to put our vermiculite on top of that. We'll put a good 2 to 3 inch coat on top of it, and that's our pool base. But first, we've got to get the walls up, get this pool shaped, and get our concrete footer and get everything going. With all the monkey business going on around, with the crazy rock around us and everything, we're trying to do the best we can to get this pool installed for this customer so they can start swimming this 2018 pool season. So stay tuned, guys. Watch this pool being developed and how difficult it is with what we've got to do to get this pool under construction and get it built for this pool owner to start swimming.